How to fix lag in Roblox. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag and increase FPS easily and fast. So all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here, click on the Roblox logo, settings right here, and then go to the settings and scroll down and make sure to make the graphics mode on manual, as you can see like me, like this, and make the graphics quality as lower as possible. And after that, make sure to go back to the home screen and turn off all the apps that you are having on your phone like this. Just remove them and leave only Roblox, because the RAM is very important. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. Don't forget to subscribe please, and see you later.